Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your TV and cable wires behind your wall. First, start off by unplugging the electrical wire. I'm going to take the plate off. So I already had the 2x4 marked. You can see it outlined in blue. Every outlet, 9 times out of 10, is going to have a 2x4 next to it. So this is what's going to make it easy to be able to run an electrical wire from one outlet and put one behind your TV. So here I'm taking this outlet off. I use a flathead. I probably should have used a Phillips bit, but it made it a lot easier. So I'm showing where the 2x4 is running, and that's where I want my line to drop. So you're gonna need some electrical wire, an electrical box, and an outlet. So right here, I'm going to demonstrate. I didn't have any electrical wire, but I used this cord just to demonstrate, to show you would drop the wire directly down into the box that's below. Mine was already covered with this storage thing that I built years ago. So this is behind the TV. I already had the electrical box cut out at this point and ran the wire down, hooked up it to the receptacle. You would put the neutral on the silver side and the power on the copper side. That's on the other side, the brass. So after I ran the wire down, you see me installing this receptacle back to the wall. So now I'm installing the plate, cover plate for it. And I've been doing this for all of my TVs in the house for years. I haven't ran into any shortage where it would trip or break or anything. Just as long as you're not plugging up anything that has a high voltage to the outlet that's below, then you should be safe not to blow a fuse. So I went on and wrapped the cords so that I can hide them behind the TV. Pushing the TV back. And this is me just demonstrating how you would cut out your electrical box. So you can mark it with a pencil after you have it set on your wall. And this is the new electrical box that you're installing. So after you mark it, now you're going to cut it out with your utility knife. So it should be a hole that's just about the same size as the box. You're going to put the box inside the hole, run your wire down into the box. Now this is beneath the cabinet, the storage bin, and I'm putting this receptacle back together. twisting everything tight. I think this is just called daisy chaining off another outlet. If you have the storage space for it. Putting the plate back on. It's kind of difficult working inside the box. And so the wire is gone, the TV is on. I ran the wire down to that box, ran it up there, and it's all hidden. You can't see anything.